everyone, it's Catherine Gage, also KG Beauty Within, all things beauty and bling, and I am going to put some makeup on my eyes because I haven't done any makeup in a long time. So everybody doing? I'm just gonna get everything from my little stash right here, so don't have very much time. So let me get me a brush here. I'm using Cinnabar on my eyes. It's right here. I made this palette myself. I do customize palettes. I thought a little bit more darker than what I want. But we're gonna work with it. It's pretty cute.
In the stars, orbiting the universe to where you are.
I like that. It's pretty. I'm gonna take some gold. I'm doing a halo.
If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what.
Get another brush and kind of blend that in.
If you never come around, how we
Some more on my just ordered some more on my brown stuff. So I have to see if I have anything for my brown. This is dark chocolate. This is deep nude. I wonder if that'll work with my eyebrows. Let's see. I'm not too happy with that. Also, it's gone, so I'm just gonna have to make this work with mascara. Don't normally do this, but today we're gonna have to do it. Not bad, not bad. This is just a small trick you can do if you're out of eyebrow pencils.
by the moon, looking down on everything I never knew. I'm awakened by the truth. It only for a moment.
This is our limited edition Fan Aroma. I wish they would have kept these. To give you the lashes effect. With me having an eye disease, it's hard for me to put lashes on. I tried the magnetic lashes, but I still can't get them to work like I want to. What do I have here? but I see pink. I haven't had that in a while. Yes, I saved me one.
I was higher than the stars, orbiting the universe to where you are.
You know what? I think I want a little bit of pink on my cheeks.
Many years, many years, many years we've been apart, and I never wanted gravity to pull us apart.
I love to versatile my products. I love to use them for more than one thing.
If you never
I don't always follow the rules of what things should look like, because makeup is an art, and
if you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. Falling feels
get my
like.
bronzer.
Feels like.
Some of that now. Trying to see if I see anything from my brows. I am not liking. I'm not liking my brows, and I'm trying to find something in view here. This is limited edition as well. I know. You're like, oh, why are you using all these limited edition? Because they're where I can find them. And this was something that I've not even had a chance to use. This was our limited edition cream blushes. And this one was mauve and shimmer. Okay. Ooh, look at that glow. Oh, I love that. I love that. I'm gonna take
I was taken
and then I'm gonna take that blonde.
by the moon, looking down on everything I never knew. I'm awakened by the truth that only for a
Oh,
moment I'm
but do you see that glow though? Oh my God, that is too cute. Oh, okay, we're gonna find something to fix these brows. Okay, let's see if we can shape them better.
If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. Falling feels.
A little better. A little better. You know, I've been so busy building my team, Kingdom Building Beauties and Gents, and God has blessed me to have 12 team members, and we're on our run for the IQ. So I need to get a few more active, but we're working on it. I'm thankful for God letting me be a leader. I'm a lead team leader with Mary Kay, and I'm happy. I'm happy.
If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see
That looks better. Okay.
what feels like. If you
some finishing powder to finish this look. I gotta set all the spots that anytime you use a liquid, like anything liquid, you want to set it so that it can stay in place. So now this pretty much just dusting it all over. So that's just a quick look, you all. Just testing out this UBZ light. It messed up on me. I cannot get the horseshoe ring thing to go on there. They sent a defective part and it was a gift, so I can't send it back because it was a gift. So what I did is I just hooked my phone on it and see if I can just make something work. But this is the look. This is the look now. Bye-bye. I'll talk to you later. Remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can know when I come back on. I will be bringing more beauty tips and beauty looks. I know I've been missing in action, but I've been working, y'all. I've been building my team. But I'm back. I'm back and I'm back. So if you want to know more about the Mary Kay opportunity, for $30, you all, $30, you can join Mary Kay as an e-start. It's virtual. Everything's virtual now. It's changing our world, changing our life. And I love to enrich women's lives. So if you want a $30 opportunity, contact me. Kingdom Building Beauties and Gents will be glad to have you. I have a wonderful director, Angela Tatum Morning. I have a wonderful national who's #1 in all of the world, Gloria Mayfield Banks. I'm part of the Magic family. So I'll be glad to have you, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.